In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an indicator in Tradingview. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned trader, indicators are powerful tools that help you analyze market trends and make informed decisions. Tradingview, one of the most popular platforms for charting and analysis, provides a wide variety of customizable indicators to tailor your charts to your trading style. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize one of the most commonly used indicators, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, to better fit your strategy. Let's get started. First, open the Tradingview website in your browser. Tradingview is the platform we'll be using to edit the indicator, and it's designed to make technical analysis straightforward and accessible. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, don't worry. You can create one for free. Just follow the prompts on their homepage. For those who already have an account, go ahead and log in. This step lets you access your dashboard, save your settings, and personalize your experience. If you're new to Tradingview, you'll find a registration link in the description below. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu bar on the screen. Here, click on the Products option. This menu gives you access to Tradingview's core features, which include charts, data, and of course indicators. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and select Indicators. This action will open up Tradingview's extensive indicator library, where you can browse or search for the tools you need. Next, locate the search bar within the indicator library. Type in Relative Strength Index, or simply RSI, to find the indicator we're working with today. Once you see it in the search results, click on it. This will add the RSI indicator to your chart. By default, the RSI usually appears in a separate panel at the bottom of the chart. If you don't see it immediately, double-check that it was added from the library. Now, hover your mouse over the RSI section on your chart. You'll notice a small gear icon appear. This is the Settings menu for the RSI. Click on the gear icon, and it will open up a window where you can customize the indicator to better suit your analysis needs. The first setting we'll adjust is the length. This number determines how many periods the RSI calculates, which directly affects its sensitivity. For example, a shorter length like 7 makes the RSI more responsive to price changes, while a longer length such as 14 or 20 smooths out the fluctuations. Choose a value that aligns with your trading strategy and time frame. If you're experimenting, you can always test different values and come back to this setting later. Next, let's customize the appearance of the RSI. In the Settings window, look for options to change the colors and the line thickness of the indicator. Adjusting these can make the RSI easier to see on your chart, especially if you're working with a busy layout or multiple indicators. For example, you might choose a bold color like red or blue to make the line stand out, or increase the thickness for better visibility. While you're here, feel free to explore other settings. Tradingview often provides additional options for fine-tuning the indicator. Just keep in mind that if you're unsure about any specific setting, you can always reset everything back to the default configuration. There's no harm in experimenting to see what works best for you. Once you've made all your adjustments, click the OK button at the bottom of the Settings window. This will apply all the changes you've made to the RSI, and you'll immediately see how it looks and behaves on your chart. Finally, take a moment to review your chart. Check how the adjustments to the RSI affect its appearance and performance. Does it line up with your expectations? Does it provide clearer signals based on your strategy? This step is crucial to ensure that your customizations truly enhance your analysis. And that's it. You've successfully edited the RSI indicator in Tradingview. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.